parking lot. Ted's trying to go, but the wind has been really crappy today. There's the park over there. There's Route 66 right over there. And this is looking west. This is a big dirt parking lot. It's a little bit hilly, but if the wind was blowing good, it wouldn't be a factor. And today, not so good. Here we have a train coming up. You can't see it. Oh, there it is. We got trains through here.